Hi guys, welcome to my Blue Hustle product review. We are back again with another interesting product. So if you want a blueprint on how to become an affiliate marketer and also to create your own product so other affiliates can promote it, so this product is for you. So it's a course where it outlines step by step on how to become an affiliate marketer, how to promote your product, and also once again how to create a product. If you feel like this is something that you're interested in, please stick with me throughout my entire review so I can just take you through the custom bonuses that I have for you, and also we go through the training where I show you all the steps and all the content that is available in this interesting course. But for now, let's just get started and find out what Blue Hustle is all about. We are now on my Blue Hustle bonus page. So just to start off, please know that the bonuses will only be available for the period of the launch and will expire once the launch is over. So this Blue Hustle will be launched on the 27th of May. And once my timer hits 00, so these bonuses that I'm going to talk to you about will expire. First bonus that I have is Enigma. You get access to Enigma for the first 12 hours only, and after 12 hours then this bonus won't be available. So this will help you to get free access to paid software hacks inside our Facebook algorithm so that you can just maximize the free traffic and you'll be able to make money. So only for 12 hours as I've mentioned. So the second bonus is free Instagram traffic hack. So this will help you to get traffic from Instagram. The third bonus that I have is 4 proven insider tips for making great content, great channel content. So this tutorial will help you on creating content that will entice your potential buyers to be able to take action on the offers that you will be promoting. So that's bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is get access to Equanex Pro. So this is one of Jono Armstrong product that he offered. I think it was in 2020. So this basically will help you. It's a software that will help you to find dead links in other people's YouTube videos that you can revive. You can revive the links and redirect traffic that you're offering to the campaigns, affiliate link and website, or even lead generation that you'll be promoting at that time. So the next bonus that I have is the vendors bonuses. So these are the bonuses that the vendor has given me, so I can just give to you. So if you're interested, just click on the button the button here so that you can just get access to your bonuses. And I must also just remind you that the bonus will only be available for the period of the launch. And if you take up this product, just click in the description link, and WaterPlus will just click in the description link and purchase the product. And once the payment is successful, WaterPlus will send you an email with the credentials, the login credentials with the username and password, where you'll be able to log in and be able to get access to the product. We are now in the members area. That's the training section where I'll just take you through what Blue Hustle is all about. This product was created by Sean Dean. So this is the person who created the product. As I've said, this is affiliate marketing in a box. So basically, it's so detailed, guys. I won't go through all the videos. You can just go through the videos in your own time. Under the welcome section, so Sean just tell us about what Blue Hustle is all about. So it's a complete affiliate marketing training program, and you can even sign up on his sign up to his YouTube channel, where there's also a huge content there that you can just go through in your own time. So firstly, he shows you how to create a product. So you go to you search the product that you might be interested in. So it gives you tips on how to do that and how to consume the PLR content. So basically you will have identified the product that you want to create. Now you don't have to copy and paste exactly what the other product is doing. So you can just take the content and just update it to suit the one that you want to create. And also how to find the product name. So create logo. So it's quite comprehensive. And there's also how to create a thank you page, and how to list your product on Warrior Plus. That is if you will be promoting your product via Warrior Plus. And how step by step on OTO sales page, how to create the sales pages and the thank you page. So I just want to take you through the next. So it's 2 sections, right? How to create the product and also how to promote your product, how to promote your affiliate links. So it shows you, okay, you need to get approval for affiliate links. And now how to promote it. You can use YouTube via Launchjacking to promote your product. So I won't go through everything. Just get this for yourself, guys, so that you can see what is it all about. But to be honest, it's quite packed with information. So if you're interested, you can just take it up. For now, I want us to go through the prices and see how much this will set you back. Okay, so we're now going to talk about the prices. So the front end is $12.95, which is not bad for the information that I showed you. This is the training program that I've showed you for $12.95. So, and you also get my free custom bonuses. So that's a good deal, right? And the next upgrade is upsell number 1, which you get PLR Golden bundle. This is what you'll get with upsell number 1, and I suggest that you get upsell number 1 so that you can just get the ultimate information, so that there are no limitations. So you'll be able to rinse and repeat the business model, because this will set you up to do any product that you want to create, and also to be able to promote any affiliate offers that you want to promote in future. So you can just repeat the process as it goes. So the next upsell is get ultimate affiliate bundle for $97. You get full access to Sean's 2020 best-selling products, and also there's Green Mafia No Limits. Number 3, you get 1 month of premium coaching for $297. You get one-on-one training with the creator of Blue Hustle. And upsell number 4, this is where you get the licensing right to sell the product for a commission, and you get 100% commission. So this is what the product is all about, and these are the prices, guys. And there's also 30-day money back guarantee. So if you're not happy with the product, you can return the product. We are now on the sales page of Blue Hustle, where they tell you all about the product. So Sean said the Blue Hustle is all about how to start simple, profitable online business in 2021 from the comfort of your home. So you can work from home. So this, as I've said, is affiliate marketing in a box. So it's online business in a box. It will show you step by step. It will show you step by step on how to do that. And in terms of the benefit, it's beginner friendly and simple to implement. You do not need an email list. It's a never seen before step-by-step video training. We've seen in the members area, it has quite a lot of information. No need to waste time on lengthy methods. One setup runs on autopilot. So it's a 24/7 income stream. So if you have time, you can just go through the sales page, and there's also proof on the testimonies of people who've used this training program, and they were able to maximize their income. So the steps that you'll go through: grab the copy of Blue Hustle. Once you've purchased the copy, you watch all the training videos, and then you're good to go. This is my Blue Hustle product review. So like we normally do, I'll just give you my honest review. So for me, I think for $12.95, this is worth it. I suggest that you get yourself the pro version of the product so that you can get all the ultimate content that you will use in order to set you up for becoming the best affiliate marketer in the online business. So for me, it's worthwhile to take up the product, and the price is not bad considering what the high ticket affiliate programs out there are offering. And for $12.95, we are getting similar, more or less the same content that the high ticket training programs are offering. So but it's up to you whether you want to take it up or not. So you can just, you are interested in one of the big training programs out there, the high ticket ones, you can just also buy this one and use them together, because the content that is here is even helpful for newbies, for beginners. If you are a beginner, you don't want to be overwhelmed with a lot of information and also too much technicalities. So I prefer that you buy this product. You buy a Blue Hustle as a startup, so that you can just start and be able to set yourself up in affiliate marketing. And it also shows you how to create your product. You will be able to create your own product so that you can promote it on WaterPlus, and you will have other affiliates to promote your product. So it's a nice way of making money online. Thank you for watching my Blue Hustle product review. Please be on the lookout for more products that I'll be reviewing in future. And also please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also mention what other products you want me to review. But for now, cheers until we meet again.